Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Eternal Siege. First, understand that this legendary item requires dedication and strategic gameplay. You'll embark on a multi-stage journey, starting with a specific quest line. This initial phase sets the foundation for the challenges ahead, ensuring you are prepared for the subsequent steps. Focus on completing the introductory tasks efficiently to progress smoothly. Moving into the first major phase, the Void's Call, your primary objective is to conquer the formidable Shadow Lord. This boss drops a crucial item needed for the next stage of the quest. Simultaneously, you must diligently search for ancient runes, which are often tucked away in obscure locations. Reaching the required character level ensures you have the necessary power and abilities to face these escalating threats. Now, for Eternal Forging, you'll need to visit the Grand Archivist to obtain the vital schematic. This blueprint guides you in crafting the Eternal Core, a central piece of the Ghost Eternal Siege. Gathering the specific rare materials, starlight ore and darksteel, is essential for this crafting process. Finally, you must prove your might by successfully completing the challenging Siege of the Ancients raid, achieving a high score. For the final steps, take your newly crafted Eternal Core to the Oracle of Ages, located within the majestic Celestial Temple. The Oracle will then bestow upon you the legendary Ghost Eternal Siege, unlocking its incredible power and unique abilities for your character. This artifact significantly enhances your gameplay. And for making your own meal prep simple, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.